Since 2020, there has been a 70% increase in people suffering from mental health challenges, many of whom go unseen, unheard, and unsupported.
People like me.
And me.
And me.
And me.
And me.
But there is hope. From the 14th to the 28th of May, Big Give's Kind to Mind campaign will shine a spotlight on these challenges by partnering with over 150 amazing mental health charities, helping people to feel seen, heard, and supported. Together, we're transforming lives, combating loneliness for the elderly, offering counselling and group support sessions, helping vulnerable people like the homeless with their mental health, empowering children through transformative therapy workshops, supporting isolated and marginalised communities. But none of this is possible without the support and kindness of people like you. Donate to a charity on biggive.org between the 14th and 28th of May, and we'll match your donation, helping your kindness go twice as far.